Hey, you guys. You know the drill. It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Listen, this is not exciting. This is literally for the sake of the algorithm. I don't unbox or unbag everything that I buy, but you know, sometimes you just need to stick a video up there so that you remain relevant on YouTube. So today we are going to be unbagging a very small Shopmissa thing that I bought during not even their Black Friday sale. This was a sale they had pre-Black Friday where they had, I think, 11% off of everything. And if you spent $11, you got $1 shipping. So I spent $11 on just nothing special, nothing exciting. But guess what? We're gonna open it together. So this is the Shopmissa thing. I already opened it so that I could take the puff thing out. So we're just gonna slide this bitch out of here and just kind of go through some of the crap that I got. If you don't know, Shopmissa has a whole variety of things, and most of them are like $1 to $1.55, and they're pretty decent quality for like dollar store items. So I did need some things, and so I just went ahead and got some stuff. Let's see, the first one being a little thing of hair ties. Who doesn't need these, right? These are kind of my favorite, the waffle knit. They don't have any metal or shown elastic. I love to throw these in my bag in case of emergencies. So I picked up one of these. All right, the next thing I got are these 3 little travel spray bottles. I know, so exciting, right? These are actually pretty nice little bottles. My husband actually had me buy him one so that he could put like alcohol in them because the sprayer is such a fine mist. So for traveling and just things like that, they're really, really handy to have. They actually have a little array of a bunch of things. They have like a foundation pump type bottle. They have little jars. These are only $1, and so I thought when we travel, we're going to New York. You might be seeing this when we're in New York, actually. No, you're not. You're going to see this a little bit before we leave for New York. But I thought I could put some of my makeup setting spray in here, maybe some of my moisturizer spray. So I got a couple of these. They were only $1, and they're pretty nice. The next thing I got, no surprise, these are just plain unscented makeup remover wipes. These are so nice to have just in the case of any type of cleanup that you have to do, especially like if I'm swatching or something, I can just like rub them on my hands. You can also clean like a brush really quickly or something. I keep them in a drawer just in case I need them. They clean up, eyeliner mistakes or anything like that. And these are only $1 and you get 15 in each. So definitely pick these up. Also, kind of ridiculous, but I use this all the time. So I actually have one of these already. This is a little like silicone spatula, and I use it to put my eye cream on, but sometimes I have to like wipe it off and use it to apply some of my lip mask. And so I thought since I was placing an order, I would just go ahead and get another one so that I can have one for each. But for $1, I mean, these are really, really nice. They're tiny. They fit the lips and underneath the eyes so well. So definitely got one of these babies. Okay, 2 other little travel items. This is just a plain gray kind of sunglasses sleeve. I got this for Hubs because he has a pair of prescription Ray-Ban sunglasses, and I thought that he could slide them in here instead of putting them in the hard case so that he can fit them in his sling bag when we're traveling. It was only $1, so I thought I would give it a shot. And then also, I've been needing a freaking coin purse for like the longest time. So this is just a little double pocket coin purse. I don't really buy a lot of things with cash, but when I do and I get change back, I'm like, oh, what am I supposed to do with this? So I just wanted to get one of these to like throw in my bag in case I do get some change and I can just throw it in here because otherwise it's just sitting loose in my purse and I freaking hate that. Hey, only two more things here. This was the reason that I made the order. Listen, I know I'm bougie. Like, I like some luxury makeup, but these AOA Slim Brow Eyebrow Pencils are the best. They're only $1 and they last a really long time. I like the consistency of the formula. I like the micro tip to draw in my eyebrows. I got medium brown and I got 2 of them because when I ran out of my last one, I was like, damn it, I hate this Ulta one that I'm using. So I made sure that when I got a new order, I threw 2 of these in. I really do love these ones. They're really, really good. And the last item, probably the funnest item, look at these little earrings, guys. I thought these were super adorable in a gold because, you know, I'm trying to grow my gold jewelry collection, and I just thought that these were so cute. They're like little evil eyes. I love these so much. Let's see if you can get... They're actually like pretty nice quality, and I love these types of backs. Like, they're not a string back, they're like a clip that you put in, so it makes sure that they stay in place. I actually love the size and the shape of these, so for $1, I was definitely throwing them in my cart. Yeah, so that is it. This is everything that I got on this Shopmissa little haul here. Again, I got all this stuff for like $11, and it's all necessities that, you know, I use kind of daily or just very convenient to have. So yeah, that was like super boring, and I'm sorry this is so short, but again, this is strictly for the sake of the algorithm. I know no one cares, but these are some items that you can get on Shopmissa. I will obviously leave their link in the description box, and maybe I'll leave some links to some of these products in case you are interested. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. God, I hate this. My hands look so fat. Like this video, it really does help me out. Comment down below on your favorite Shopmissa item. I know I got no Paw Puffs in here this time because I'm still going through some of my Temu sponges. But let me know what your favorite Shopmissa item is, and if you liked anything in here, particularly the earrings, that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye!